Click, clack, ho, ho, ho. Written by Doreen Cronin. Illustrated by Betsy Lewin. Snow is falling, lights twinkle. A few creatures are stirring. It is Christmas Eve. There's a jingle in the air. Farmer Brown stops to listen. Santa is on his way. There's a swooshing up above. Farmer Brown runs to the window. Santa is getting close. There's a pitter-patter on the roof. Farmer Brown hurries off to bed. Santa is almost here. Ho ho, uh-oh, Duck is stuck. The sheep go up to unstuck Duck. Ho ho, uh-oh, the sheep are stuck. The cows go up to unstuck Duck. Ho ho, uh-oh, the cows are stuck. The pigs go up to unstuck Duck. Ho ho, uh-oh, the pigs are stuck. They all go up to unstuck Duck. Ho ho, uh-oh, everyone is stuck. It is Santa's turn to unstuck Duck. Ho ho, oh no. Don't be silly, Santa would never get stuck. Now all around the tree, in the light's warm glow, all the creatures are stirring. Ho, ho, ho.